Weisser Gluhwein, or mulled white wine. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. Mulled white wine is very much like mulled red wine, but made with white wine. Thinly slice an orange and a lemon, and then in a medium saucepan, combine the wine. I used Riesling, but Chardonnay would be a good option as well. A bit of orange juice and some orange liqueur, such as Grand Marnier or Grand Gala. You could also use triple sec. Add the sliced lemon and the sliced orange, as well as the juice of 2 mandarins, aka cuties, the clementines, and the spices. I used cinnamon sticks, star anise, and cloves. You could also throw in some allspice berries if you like. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat. You don't really want it to boil, but you definitely want the mixture to bubble. Add about a tablespoon of sugar and then simmer for about 15 minutes, and then taste and add a bit more sugar if desired. You may want to add up to 1/4 cup of sugar. I don't think it needs any more than 1/4 cup. I usually stick with just 1 tablespoon. Simmer 15 minutes longer and it's ready to serve. You could also keep it warm for up to an hour. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.